how clean you are, Furby. Beautiful. Are you putting your head down the drain? Don't get your head stuck in the drain. That would be bad. You're doing such a good job, Furby. You're getting so clean. Wow. You're gonna feel so nice. Just don't get your head stuck in the drain. You're getting really into this. I'm getting really worried. Beaver, you gonna take a bath next? This is how it's done. Just in case you need help figuring it out, you're supposed to do that. You think you can handle it? You learn how to take a bath? Very beautiful, Furby. Woohoo! You check in the mirror? Was the mirror always like that? Where is that gray spot coming from? I gotta check something out real quick.